Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss some important questions related to that topic. Now in today's class we take and discuss some important questions based on algebraic identities. And basically we are going to discuss about the very important identity which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ac minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ca minus bc minus ca in another brackets. So this is very important algebraic identities related to your chapter algebraic identities. This is a very important, very important. Okay, now there is strand. This is a very important. Okay, now look, we take and solve some important questions based on these identity. Now let's see. Our question is, this is a very important question. Factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus z cube minus 18x by z. Okay, dear students, this is a very important question based on this identity. Now let's see what I do for that. Look, so dear student, first of all we can write in this way. Now let's see the solution. So first of all we can write in this way. This is 2x whole cube plus this is 27y cube. We can write 3y whole cube and here z cube, right, in this way, minus. So we can write in this way. We are to the 8x cube and here 3 to the 9 to the 27. This is y cube and z cube. We can write z whole cube. Okay. Now minus 3x by z. 3 into x means we write 2x. Y we can write 3y. We can write in this way. Now look, if we multiplying them, so 3 to the 6 to the 18x by z. 18x by z. This is the very important concept. So first of all, we arrange the given expressions. Okay. First of all, we arrange the given expression in this way. Now, dear students, look. This is 8x cube. We can write 2x cube. 27y cube. We can write 3y cube. Z cube. We can write z cube. And minus we can write 3abc. A means 2x, 3y, and 1z. Okay. Now look, this is the form of identity: a cube plus b cube plus 3 cube minus 3abc. So we can write a plus b plus c in one bracket, and in another bracket we can write a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now, so we can arrange the given okay. Now we can expand this expression based on this identity. So a plus b plus c in one bracket. So this is 2x a plus b plus c in one bracket. And in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square, okay, minus ab means minus ab minus bc is 3y into z minus bc minus ca. A means 2x. Okay. So now we expand it. Look, we can write as 2x plus 3y plus z, and in another bracket is to use the 4x square, okay, plus this is 9y square plus z square minus 3 to the 6xy minus 3yz minus 2 zx. So this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and discuss very important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Factorize x cube minus 0.216 x cube minus 0.216. Okay, we factorize them. So what I do for that? Look, so we can write, since we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. Now from these expressions we can write as in this way x cube, because of here x into x means x cube, and here this is the cube of 6 is the 36, 6 the 216. So we can write 0.6 whole cube, 0.6 whole cube. If we multiply them, so we get 0.216. So now this is the based on the identity a cube minus b cube. Now we expand the given expression based on this identity a cube minus b cube. So we can write a minus b in one bracket. So this is a minus b in one bracket, means x minus 0.6 in one bracket, and in another bracket this is a square x square plus ab means x into 0.6 plus b square means 0.6 square. Now we get as 0.6, and here we get x square plus 0.6x plus 6 equals 0.36. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on the algebraic identity. Based on the algebra, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, okay, is equal to a plus b plus c, and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus 3a. So we take and solve some important question of your NCERT book based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take and solve some other important questions. And the question is factorize aq minus bq plus 1 plus 3ab plus 3ab. Now let's see its solution. A cube minus b cube, yes, plus 1 plus 3ab. This is a very important questions based on your algebraic identities. So look, since we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket, and in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the identity. Now we can, so first of all we write, we have the expression what? Look, we have the expression a cube minus b cube plus 1 plus 3ab. A cube minus b cube plus 1 plus 3ab. Now what I do, now we can arrange it. We can write a cube, write a cube, okay, plus this is we can write minus b cube. We can write minus b cube, okay, and plus this is 1 cube as 1 equal to, so we can write in this way minus 3 into a bc. A means a, b means minus b, c means 1. So we can write the given expression in this way. If we multiply them to minus minus, we get plus 3ab. 3ab, okay. So this is the given, so we can arrange the given expressions in this way. Okay. Now this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here the value of c is what? 1. Okay. Now we expand the given expression based on this identity, so we can write as a plus b plus c in one bracket means a minus b, right now, okay, plus 1 minus, plus c means plus 1 in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus b square means minus b square plus c square means 1 square minus ab minus bc minus ca, 1 into a. Now this is a square, now this is plus b square, okay, plus 1 minus minus plus ab minus minus plus b minus a. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of question. This is the one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions. Based on these topics, now look, factorize 2 under root 2 a cube plus 8b cube minus 27 c cube minus 27 c cube plus 18 under root 2 18 under root 2 abc. Okay, so this is the very important algebraic expressions. Now look, let's see its solution. So सबसे first of all we write given expressions. Given expression is what? 2 under 2 a cube plus 8b cube minus 27 c cube plus 18 under 2 abc. So first of all, dear students, we arrange the given expressions based on the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, minus 3abc. After that we can solve that type of questions. Now look, so first we can write 2 under root 2 a cube there, na? So we can write under root 2 a cube. If we expand it, so we get 2 under root 2 a cube. Okay, plus this is 2b cube a cube plus b cube. Okay, and this is minus 27, so we can write plus minus 3c cube. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into a means under 2a, b means 2b into c means minus 3c. So look, dear students, if we multiplying them, so we get minus minus plus 3 2 is 6, 3 is 18 under root 2 abc we get. So first of all we arrange the given expressions. Based on this identity. So now look, so we can write, so now this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 a b and c, 3 a b and c. So this is the questions here. Okay, now look, a cube plus b cube minus c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, na? So now, so first of all we write a plus b plus c in one bracket, means a plus b plus c means plus minus minus 3c in one bracket, and in another bracket we write a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Minus ca. Now we simplify them, so we write as this is under root 2a plus 2b minus 3c in one bracket, and in another bracket we have 2a square plus 2 is 4b square is 9c square minus this is 2 under root 2 ab, this is plus 2 is 6bc and minus minus plus 3 under root 2 ca, 3 under root 2 ca. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve that type of question. So in this way, please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now, so this is the required solution of the given questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on factorization. So look, factorize 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Now let's see its solution. Look, 2 4s are 8 3s are 24. So you know that 8 3s are 24, 8 3 and 5. So we can write 4 under root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3. Now we take 4x as common, so we have root 3x plus this is 4 2s are 2. Okay, now from these two terms we write as root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. So now from there we have 4x. Now from these two terms we take root 3 is common, so root 3 is minus minus plus this is 2. Now this is root 3 plus 2 in one bracket and root 3 x plus 2 in another bracket, so we can write as okay. So this is root 3x plus 2 and root 4x minus root 3. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So look, first of all we multiply these terms into that. Okay, we get 4 2s are 8 root 3 that is 3. This is 8 3s are 24. Okay. So now first of all we split it them, and we can split the middle term into way 8x minus 3x. Now from these two terms we take 4x as common, so we get as root 3x plus 4 2s are 8, and here we can write root 3 into root 3. So from these two terms we take root 3 is common, to root 3x plus 2. Okay. So now this is root 3 plus root 3x plus 2 in that bracket, and this 2 we take as common, and this is 4x minus root 3 in another bracket. Now we take this is common, so we get 4x minus root 3. Okay. So this is the method to solve that type of question. So dear student, first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now first of all you revise all the questions and do more and more practices. Okay dear friends, now in next class we take and discuss some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Now thanks to all.